What's up, Aaron here. I'm going to show you how I made $59,000 and actually much more just with Instagram this year, and exactly how you can do it as well. All right. So I'm just going to run through this right here. Right. So this is 59,000 that I earned selling somebody else's product, not even my own product. Okay. Somebody else's product. Here is me earning 141,000 selling somebody else's product. This is me, making tons and tons of sales here. I don't know if you can see this. It's quite small, right? So $12, $26.68, $12.25, that kind of thing. And then this is a big one right here, $455,000 doing the strategy that I showed you. Okay, now I know that these are images, so I'm going to log into my PayPal account right here so that you can see. Can actually see me logging in right here, right? And I'm just going to go to my activity so that you can see the income coming in, right? So activity, right? And you can just see here all transactions. And I'm just going to get my team to blank this out, right? But you can see every few days, 166, 625, 513, 644, 21, 22, 166. You get the idea, right? All very, very current. Now, how did I do this? Okay. So I did this all with Instagram. And let me show you my Instagram channel right here, right? If I come back into home, in fact, let me just go to my Instagram channel. This is what my Instagram channel looks like right here, okay? Now, I don't have that many followers. I've got about 18,000 followers. I had another account that was slightly bigger than this, right? But I want to show you how this works and how you can start literally from zero, because I rebuilt this particular account, right? And it really isn't that big, but you can still generate thousands of dollars when you understand how, all right? So the overall strategy works like this, and make sure you grab a pen and a piece of paper and write it down, okay? The first thing that we want to do is we want to pick a niche, right? Now, I'm in the business space. I teach people how to make money by, selling other people's digital products, right? So digital affiliate marketing, but you can be in any space. You can promote dog training. You can promote six-pack abs. You can teach people how to harvest honey from bees if you want, or quit smoking or drinking, right? Now, once you found your niche, all you need to do is go to a network, a big network like Digistore24 or ClickBank or JVZoo or Warrior Plus, and you can even Google, right? Go to Google and type out, biggest digital affiliate networks in the world. You get like 20. Go pick one of them, find a good product in your space, right? That's not the complicated part, okay? Once you find the product, you build a simple sales funnel with, any funnel builder, ClickFunnels, Kartra, Lead Pages, WordPress. There's so many, page builder, funnel builders out there that you can use, right? And then what you do is you get attention and drive people into that funnel, all right? Now, if you want to learn how to build everything out, then I've got a masterclass that you can check out. It's in the description box in the comment section, right? But right now, I'm going to show you the Instagram strategy, right? So how to get attention, how to get thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people looking at your stuff. Because even if you pick the best product, even if you have the best funnel, if you can't get attention on the front end, nobody's going to buy your stuff because people don't know you exist, okay? That's why the marketing part, which I'm going to show you right now, this is literally my strategy, right, is so important, okay? And most people sleep on this. They don't learn how to do it properly. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, okay? Now, the cool thing is this channel right here is not a massive channel, okay? So a lot of people, if I show people my big channel, my old big channel, which had 300,000 followers, people are going to be like, oh, Aaron, your channel's so big. That's why you're making so much money, or you can make these commissions, right? No, it's not true. You can start from zero. I started this from zero a few months ago, and I've grown it to 18,000 followers. But here's the thing about social media. We don't make money from our follower account. So this could be 100,000 followers. It could be 1,000 followers. It doesn't matter, right? Because we make money from the views that we generate. And from the views, we get leads, because we want people to come into our sales funnel, into our sales process, okay? So let me show you how you can do this, right? So start a brand new Instagram account is very easy, right? Do it on your mobile phone. I want to shoot this video on my computer because it's just easier for me to, have this kind of setup, right? But do it on your mobile phone, okay? So you can take notes and then you can do it on your phone. So basically what I do is I, first of all, go into research mode. That's really important. I need to find out who is doing really well, and I'm going to model their stuff, okay? So what you do is on your phone, you go to the search bar, right? Just go to search, and you basically type out your industry, okay? It could be make money from home. It could be dog training. It could be losing weight. It could be getting sexy. It could be quitting alcohol, right? Whatever you want. And you're going to find a bunch of content on there that's going to show you the top performing videos. Okay, now unfortunately on a computer, it doesn't look very nice because you can't really see the data. That's why you want to do it on your phone, okay? Now on your phone, what it's going to look like is once you type in the search, you're going to see a whole bunch of videos, right? And the cool thing about when you do it on your phone is that you will literally see how many views each of the videos are getting. So let's just say we're researching, the business space, how to make money, right? You're literally going to see the views. Like some will say like 300,000 views. Some will say 1 million views. Some will say 25 million views, right? This one has 1 million likes. So this video probably did pretty well, maybe 15 million views or something like that, okay? So what you want to do is you want to go into research mode and find basically 10 to 20 videos in your space that have at least 500,000 or more views. Okay, the more views it has, the better. Because if it has a lot of views, it means that that creator did a really, really good job of making that video go viral, all right? So go into research mode, get a document, like, maybe get notes or something like that, and go ahead and go into each video. So let's just say it's this video, right? I'm going to click on this video, and then I'm just going to pause it. I'm going to come to the top. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to copy it, okay? So now I've copied it, and then I'm going to go paste it in, maybe my notes or something like this, okay? So I might create a new note right here, and I'm just going to call this link or video research, okay? And then I'm going to paste it here, all right? And then I'm just going to keep doing the same thing. So let's say this is another one, right? I'm going to copy paste it. I'm going to come back here, and I'm going to paste it again, all right? So I'm just going to do this 20 times, okay? Find all the best videos. Now that I know that these are the best videos, and most of them will be in different what we call formats, okay? Let me explain to you what a format is. This format right here, if we just play this, right, is basically a lady, right, and I think a husband or boyfriend, and it's B-roll of her doing this thing, this project, and I've seen this video before. This is one of the most popular bagel shops in my country or in my city, right? And it's the story of how she went from zero to building up this amazing bagel place, okay? And then she's got a voiceover over it, and there's captions on the front, okay? So this is a type of format. That means it's story-based, lots of B-roll of her, and there's like captions and there's a voiceover, right? This is one type of format. Another type of format might be, let me find one, this one right here, okay? So this one is a lady talking, but she's got graphics. You see here? And then what she's doing is she's comparing it, or she's teaching you the difference between Claude and blah, blah, blah. And then on the top here, there's step-by-step instructions where she recorded her screen, okay? This is another format, right? It's different from the first one. It's still her there, but it's like, this is called a talking head with an example on the top, like with a step-by-step instructions on the top, right? So this is another format, okay? Now, you can also do other formats where it's full graphics. There's so many different ones. There's talking heads, there's instructional, there's some way you don't even show your face at all, and I'll show you some of mine in a second. But what we want to do is we want to then model the 20 videos that you just did, that you just copied, okay? So literally this one, we would model it as close as possible. Like let's just say it's this one, and we would model it for our industry. So here's the cool thing. It doesn't even need to be in your space. So let's just say you're doing weight loss, right? But this is talking about the $1 million opportunity with Claude, the AI. You could literally find something that is amazing in the weight loss space, like a weight loss app or a weight loss strategy or a website, and you would put it here and you would talk about it. So it's the same format, and then you would show the step-by-step on top, how to use the app, how it helps you to track your calories, where to go, where to click, blah, 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 all that stuff. So it's the same format, but it's in a completely different industry. So remember, you don't need to copy formats that are in your space. It can be in a completely different space. What works is the format, not necessarily the exact video, if that makes sense, right? So you can replicate this across. So what you want to do is you want to create as many of the different formats as possible for your niche, okay? Whether that's the business space, the weight loss space, the I want to quit alcohol space, it doesn't matter. And then we want to upload them onto our Instagram. So let me just go back to my Instagram right here, okay? So what I would do is every day, to start, I would create 1 to 2 videos, okay? Don't do 1 a week, do 1 to 2 a day. All right, look, you want to change your life, right? You want to make what? I showed you $59,000 just now and a few $100,000 with some of my other digital products that I promote, right? It's because you do volume. Okay, so if you sit around and you don't do nothing and you twiddle your thumbs, you're not going to make any money. You got to hustle a little bit if you want this to work. All right, so 1 to 2 videos a day. Make sure you do a different format every single day. All right, now here's what's going to happen. Let me show you the journey of my channel, just so that you understand that this is real. It's very, very possible, but it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so let me show you right here. I don't want this video to go too long, but let me just go back. Okay, so if you see, sorry, I didn't go all the way back, but in the earlier days, you will see some of my videos not doing so well. All right, because when your channel is new, you're doing a lot of testing. Okay, so you just want to throw a bunch of different formats up. Make sure you do them the best that you can, right? And like for example, this one did 300 views. And then this one did 600 views, right? But some of them did even worse, 147 views. You see that? 147 right here. 538, okay? Now, the reason why some of these numbers are higher is because, as time has gone on, people have gone back and watched some of my older videos. So my newer followers have come and watched it. So it's pulled the entire channel up. But when I first started, the numbers weren't so big. They were actually much, much lower than this, okay? But over time, what's going to happen is you're going to find pops of results. So for example, this one right here, you see this? It did 13,000 views. Okay, so what I would do is I would remake this video 5 to 10 times. Very, very similar hooks, similar visuals, but different. Okay? And then what you do is you just upload them and then you see how they perform. So once you find a format, you can remake the format over and over and over again. It can be very similar. You just change out a couple of things, maybe even just the intro, the first 5 to 10 seconds. You throw it up and it will probably perform quite well. Okay, you see these 2 videos right here where I'm eating? It's the same format. Okay, this one did 14,000, this one did 13,000 because it's a format that works. Okay, now some of the formats I didn't work at all, like this one, so I didn't do it again. All right, and then again you can see that there's like this one right here, so I didn't do it again. 147 views, I just left that format. This is the same format right here, 229, 147. So I don't do these anymore. Maybe I'll try it again in the future. So I'm gonna go test other formats. Right now, the format that really worked well for me is this type of format, where I'm like writing on a piece of paper and sharing resources. Now, initially when I uploaded it, it didn't do very well, 651. But let me show you later on when I kept trying different hooks, but the same format on a piece of paper. Look at this one, 46,000 views. Okay, that's crazy, right? 46,000 views right there. So what you're doing is you're just continuing to test different formats. If something works, just remake it in a slightly different way. But it's exactly the same format. That's what you want, and a similar hook, but you can change it a little bit, right? And then the more you do that, so now the goal is to find formats that work, and then you continue to test other formats from your research. Continue to do research until you find maybe 4 or 5 formats that you can just keep doing over and over and over again, so that your channel grows. Okay, now as you're uploading content, that's not where the money is made. The money is made by getting people to click on your capture link so they go into your sales funnel, okay? Now, there is a tool that I use to get people to comment, and then I send them my link directly in the DMs, okay? And that's called ManyChat. So I use ManyChat. You can come here and use it. It's $15 to start, and as you get more contacts, it increases, and then you can create an automation where you say something like, hey, like on this video, if I'm like, hey, if you want to learn my formula, comment formula below, and then check your text messages, right? And then ManyChat will send a DM directly to them. They'll click on it. They'll click on it right here, okay? And they'll go directly to your capture page where you can capture that information, and then they become a lead. And then they go through your sales process, and then you recommend them digital products. That's how I made these commissions right here. Okay, that's how I made 455,000. That's how I made all of these sales. That's how I made, the 59,000 by promoting other people's products. That's how I made the 141,000 right here. Pretty cool stuff, okay? But it all starts with getting attention on the front end. All right. Now, if you're like, well, Aaron, how do I make content? Right? There's many ways you can do it. Okay. You can use AI like HeyGen, for example. Right? You can just go to heygen.com. Another one's called InVideo AI. Another one is called Higgsfield.ai. Right? But I like to make content, and I use AI as well. But I like to shoot myself and just edit this in edits in Instagram, or I just record my screen. I create PowerPoint presentations. I record them using a screen recorder, or I just do old school style where I print out pieces of paper like this, and I just write on it, and I use my phone to record it down, and that's it. And I just slip it over, and then I just edit this in CapCut. All right, This is old school style, but it works so well. So remember, there are many, many ways that you can create content. You don't only need to shoot your face. You don't only need to use AI. There's so many ways. Record your screen, record your whiteboard, record your hand writing something like this, right? Do a combination of all of them, edit them all in CapCut, and upload them here. If you want graphics like this, you might have to hire someone if you're not a good editor. And you can very, very easily hire someone on a website called Upwork, okay? And you can pay them something like $3, $4, $5 for every video that they edit for you. Not that expensive, okay? But the name of the game is to get attention right here in the front. Get people to see your stuff. And then once you go viral, find the formats that work. Keep redoing the formats 5 to 10 times every single time. And then keep testing new formats so that you find your solid 5, right? Keep uploading 1 to 2 videos a day. That's how you grow. We don't really care about the followers. We just care about the views here. And the leads, when we send them the DMs on the back end through ManyChat, right? And then they become a lead and they opt into your capture page. They come through the sales funnel. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, that's how I generated that income. I hope you enjoyed this video today. This is literally me in the trenches doing it, and you can replicate this for yourself as well. Now, if you want to learn how to build out the capture page, you want to learn how to build out the, the sales funnel, the sequence, what do you say, right? How do you actually pick the right products from the networks? I have all of that in a very detailed masterclass. If you want to check that out, all you need to do is check it out in the comment section below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Subscribe to this channel if this is the stuff that you like to learn. Give me a thumbs up if you got some value today, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.